All right. Hello there, guys. I hope everybody is doing well. You guys have done an awesome job keeping up with your assignments on the polynomial properties, rational and irrational review. I think we're getting a little bored of those topics, so we're going to move on here to solving equations. This is a really, really quick video. I'm only going to do two problems with you guys, and then I posted your next assignment. It's five questions, I think. So all you have to do is watch this quick little video, do five questions. What I'm asking of you for those questions, though, is I'm not doing a problem attic this time. I posted a PDF of it. So I'm asking that you submit work with this because equations, it's hard. I can't see how you're doing without seeing work. So all you have to do is submit it on Classroom, just submit pictures of your work. If you have an issue with that for any reason, if you don't have a phone that can take pictures, let me know. You can always just take pictures on your Chromebook, just hold it up to your camera and take pictures that way. But if it's an issue, please email me and let me know. But I do want to try to do it this way, okay? I know it says final exam review number 2 here. Don't worry about that. Um, but our next topic here that we learned this year is how to solve an equation. Now, important things for you to remember when you're solving an equation. You always get x by itself. That's the goal here. When you have fractions, we find the LCM, multiply, cross out, and solve. And you use opposite operations. So let me show you what all of that means here. And let's do an example together. Okay, for number 1, it says which value of x is the solution of the equation 2/3 x plus 1/2 equals 5, 6. All right, here. So remember, you have to find the smallest number that 3, 2, and 6 all go into. We called it, oh my goodness, the LCM. Okay. So if you can't find that by yourself, which is totally fine, we go to our calculator. We go to the calculator part. We do menu. Number. Sorry, I always get number and algebra mixed up. Least common multiple. Now our first two numbers were 2 and 3. 6. Remember, the calculator can't do more than 2 at once yet. So you do 2 at a time, and then you keep going. You take the answer, that, so number, least common multiple, 6, and you do it with the other number, which was 6. So 3, 2, and then 6. So our LCM here is 6. Okay? So what do I multiply 3 by to get 6? That's easy. That's a 2. What do I multiply 2 by to get 6? Well, again, easy, 3. And 6, we just leave it alone. Or you can multiply it by 1. Let's do all of our multiplication out. 2 times 2x is 4x over 6, plus 3 times 1, 3 over 6, equals 5 over 6. They're all 6's. You cross them out. You get 4x plus 3 equals 5, and we're going to go ahead and solve that. That's really easy. Minus 3, minus 3, 4x equals 2, divided by 4, divided by 4. X is 1/2, not 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, but 2 divided by 4 is a half. Choice 1. All right, so there are, I think, maybe 2 on the review that I gave you at fractions, and I will post these notes for you to refer as well. All right, in our next one, it says solve for x. So we're going to go ahead and go through and distribute everything we can. So we have a 3x, negative 5 times 2x is a negative 10x, negative 5 times a negative 6, positive 30, equals 9 times 2, which is 18. 9 times negative x is a negative 9x, plus 7. Okay, now we're just going to combine like terms. So 3x minus 10x is a negative 7x. plus 30 equals, and remember, if you have to draw that line to separate them, you can. On this side, I can combine an 18 and a 7, so 25 minus 9x. And now go ahead and solve. Add 9x, add 9x. We get 2x plus 30 equals 25 minus 30 minus 30. 2x equals negative 5. When we divide, we get x is negative 5 over 2. Or, if you want the decimal, it's negative 2.5. So the trick with this one is that you went through and you did all your distributing first, combined like terms, and then solved. And you may have actually gotten to this step and solved it a little differently. But that's okay. We've talked about how there's multiple ways to solve an equation. Awesome job, guys. That is it for this video. Try the 5 problems on your own. Like I said, there are it's an assignment on Classroom, so you can upload your attachments right to the assignment. This will be due on Monday, so you have all Thursday, all Friday, all Saturday, and all Sunday to do 5 equations. That's like solving 1 equation a day. I think you guys can do it. I'm also going to post a Khan Academy video that you don't have to watch, but it's a good resource if you need a little bit more explanation on how to solve an equation. All right, guys, I think that's it for me. So enjoy your weekend. Get out, enjoy the sunshine, and stay safe. We miss you all.